In this video, I'll detail how to enable or disable continuity camera on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you have a Mac, then you want to use your iPhone as a webcam. Whenever your iPhone is closer to your Mac, then you need to turn on continuity camera on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do to turn on or enable continuity camera on iPhone on iOS 18 is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on general. Once you selected general, I want to scroll down the general page and select AirPlay and continuity. Now once you selected, I want to scroll down a bit until you see continuity camera. You can see use your iPhone as a webcam for your Mac when both devices are near each other. So if your iPhone is closer to your Mac and continuity camera is enabled, you will be able to use your iPhone as a webcam on your Mac. Now to disable continuity camera on your iPhone, just toggle this off, and that is going to disable or turn off continuity camera on your iPhone on iOS 18. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.